Hello everyone, so today we are going to play a new game in which we will ask the students to spell two words and combine them to make a new word. So let's go. Spell yes.
YES.
Now put E before yes. What do we call?
EYS. Ease. नहीं आता.
Burger खाओ. Ice. Spell yes.
YES.
If we put E before yes, what do we call?
S.
Ease.
No idea, man.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर.
Spell yes.
YES.
Okay, now put E before yes. What do we call?
EYS.
जिस राह पे तुम चल रहे हो बेटा, एक दिन बुरी तरह फंसोगे.
EYS.
Yes, what do we call?
Ease.
Ease.
Ease. क्या? आपने कहा before.
Yes, put E before yes.
तो वो तो पहली है. YES. ES.
Ice. Spell fat.
FAT.
Spell her.
HER.
If you put these two words together,
Father. I know.
spell fat.
FAT.
Okay, now spell her.
HER. R.
Okay, now put these two words together. What do we call?
Father.
Wow.
Toget. TOGET.
Okay, now spell her.
HER.
Now put these combine
ये प्रॉब्लम ही मेरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेगी.
these words. What do we call?
Together.
Spell now.
NOW.
Now spell here.
HERE.
Put these two words together. What do we call?
Now here.
What?
Now here. Nowhere.
Spell yes.
YES.
Now put E before yes. What do we call?
Ace.
Yes, what do we call?
Patan.
Eyes.
Spell fat.
FAT.
Spell her.
HER.
Okay, now put these two words together. What do we call?
Fatter.
Father.
I hope you will like the video. Follow us for more videos. Thank you.